Fatima, everyone. So I come here a lot for my outfit pics. If you follow me on Instagram, you know this place certainly. But today I want to talk about something summer related and a mix of oils I use to look more tanned and to hydrate my skin at the same time. So if you're interested, that's very simple. Actually, it's the easiest way I've found to look more tanned, and a very cheap one at that too. So what I do is I buy 3 products on Amazon. I'm gonna link the website in the description box below. I take carrot oil, I add plum oil for the scent and for the hydration as well, and it's packed with antioxidants too. And this oil, this buriti oil, and you only need to add it at the very end because you don't need a lot, you don't need a huge amount of it. It's very dark, and this blend will make you look more tanned, will hydrate your skin, will nourish it, and will leave it soft and supple. So this is really easy to make. I don't buy beauty products at the supermarket or else anymore. I make them myself just by mixing products I order on Amazon, and this is, by the way, this is by no means sponsored. I've been using their products for years. So this is it. You mix the 3 oils and you look more tanned, hydrated in a matter of minutes, no streaks, no waiting time. The only thing is you have to wait a little maybe before putting on like light clothes, because it could stain them, of course, but that's pretty much it. I'm gonna show you the oil and then I'm gonna talk about my outfit today. I'm wearing a lot of red today, and I've combined 2 prints. This scarf print, or nautical, it looks really nautical actually, and this floral shorts. Both are from Zara, so the shorts I bought last year. This shirt I bought this year. My beloved red bag, I had no red bag. And this one, the color is just gorgeous. It's the leather is very soft as well. I'm wearing a red mani, of course, favorite watch, bracelet. Let me do a close-up for you. So the sunnies are from Balenciaga. I use them as a headband today. These earrings I wear all the time. They're from Chanel, and they're a self-gift from last Christmas. So the shirt, the shorts, and last but not least, the slingbacks. That's it for today. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Shala Davila, salut a tutti. J'espère que cette vidéo vous aura plu et que le mélange d'huile que je vous propose vous permettra d'être plus bronzé, d'hydrater votre peau et d'être prêt pour l'été. Bye!